सबने अपनी लाइफ में कई तरह के इंश्योरेंस कराए हैं। आसपास लोगों को करवाते हुए देखा है। कई बार हमारे मन में ये सवाल आया कि लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस लाइक फायर, मरीन, इनमें क्या अंतर है? Hey everybody, I am Ayushri and I am going to tell you what is the difference between life insurance and other forms of insurance. If you have any query, then do comment and ask me. So let's begin the video. First point, nature of contract. A life insurance contract is a contingent contract, that is, a contract to pay a certain sum of money on the happening of an event, death or maturity of policy. Other forms of insurance are contracts of indemnity, under which the insured can recover only the amount of actual loss, if any, suffered by him, but not more than the insured amount. Second point, insurable interest. In life insurance, the insurable interest must be present at the time of effecting the policy and need not necessarily be present at the time of claim. In marine insurance, insurable interest need not be present at the time of effecting the policy but must be present at the time of claim. In case of fire insurance, it should be present both at the time of effecting the insurance and at the time of loss. Insured sum. Third point, life insurance can be effected for any amount. In life insurance, the insurable interest is incapable of being valued in terms of money. There is no upper or over limit or lower or under limit. In case of fire and marine insurance, interest is such that it is capable of valuation in terms of money, and where there is gross overvaluation, the policy may become void as a measure. Fourth point, nature of risk. In life insurance, classification of risk becomes easier and therefore determination of premium is also easier. In marine insurance, there is much diversity in the nature of risk, therefore determination of risk and premium is not so easier. Fifth point, period of insurance. In life insurance, the contract is for the whole life or for a long time and with provision that if the premium is not paid at stated interval, the contract would lapse. In fire and marine insurance, the contract is for a short time, usually year to year only, and the insurance automatically comes to an end after the expiry of the year. Sixth, sum payable. In life insurance, the sum payable is full without any requirement of proof of loss. In marine and fire insurance, the insured cannot recover unless he suffers some loss and cannot recover more than the loss suffered by the subject to maximum of insured amount. Subject matter of insurance. Subject matter of insurance is human life and event insured is death, which is certain event bound to happen sooner or later. Subject matter of non-life insurance is property and the event insured against is uncertain, which may or may not happen. Transfer of interest. The interest in the policy can be transferred either by assignment or nomination, whereas in other forms of insurance, financial interest can be transferred only by assignment. Fire and marine policies can be transferred only after the prior permission of the company. Ninth point, investment and protection. Both elements are present. Protection as well as accumulated premium are given back along with profit due on policy. Investment feature is totally absent. In case loss does not take place, the insured does not get back any portion of premium. 10th point, amount of premium. The premium is determined according to the age of the insured. Once fixed, cannot be normally altered. The premium is determined according to the risk involved and fluctuates every time the policy is taken. 11th, protection. Generally taken for the protection of the family. Other forms of insurance like fire and marine insurance policies are taken for the protection of property. 12th, medical examination. Medical examination is required before a life insurance policy is given to the insured. In case of fire and marine insurances, the subject matter is property. Therefore, a survey is made of the property insured.